What is your best season? In Korea, we have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The 4th season has each good advantage. In there, I will choose the season of the summer, because I think summer is most best season to me. I have 2 reasons to support my answers. First, I was born at summer. My birthday is June 11. I like my birthday because on my birthday, I can eat many delicious food and play fun and enjoy with my friends and my family. Most reason I like my birthday is on my birthday, I can study and homework. It's very nice and cool because homework is very boring. Also, my whole family was born at summer. My mom and my dad born at summer too. And I like my family. It has a little bit relationally. Lastly, I think all of the people think they live in preciously. So they like the season when they're born. My friend liked the spring because she born at spring, no other reason. She likes the spring because she born at spring, me too. So I like summer because I was born at summer. Second, we can go to the swimming pool in summer. I very like swimming. I think in Korea, 90% people like swimming pool because swimming is very funny and very cooler. Also, in summer, many people are angry about the high temperature. Me too. I think all of the people agree this opinion. But when we go to the swimming pool, we relieve one's fatigue. But we go to the swimming pool in winter, we may be frozen on the swimming pool. I didn't want to die on the swimming pool. Lastly, I tell this opinion of other seasons except summer. Spring has so many flowers, so many people can catch a flower allergy. And autumn in street, there has the smell of a bank. Lastly, winter is so cold. For these reasons, my best season is summer. Thank you for listening to my speech.